guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deepal and I hope you guys are doing fine. So yeah, wishing you all a very happy new year. This is the very first video of 2021. So for the very first video, I have a huge haul for you guys. So I have shopped a lot from this brand called Bath & Body Works. And yes, Bath & Body Works currently has a flat 50% off on a lot of its products, and you can clearly see I've purchased a lot. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video and let me show you everything that I purchased. Okay, so the very first thing that I got from the brand is this lotion. It is the Bath & Body Works Champagne Toast, and yeah, the bottle looks really pretty and 236 ml में है ये. So it's really travel friendly, बहुत ज़्यादा, you know, it's not a very heavy packaging. You can easily travel with it. और जितने भी products मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ वीडियो में, everything is on flat 50. Like the Bath & Body Works range is on flat 50. And wow, the smell of this lotion is amazing. It has a very sweet smell and काफी strong smell है, तो जिन्हें भी sweet fragrances पसंद है, you all will like this lotion. And so yeah, champagne toast का मैं एक range लेके आई हूँ. So first is the lotion, second is this body mist that I have purchased. So again 236 ml में है. It's champagne toast and you can clearly see that the packaging is also similar. तो अगर आप स्टोर में जाओगे आपको clearly पता चल जाएगा, you know, कि ये एक range के products है, because the packaging is very similar of a particular range. Again the same smell, and it has a very sweet smell. Now I don't know how long will it last, since मैंने इसे यूज़ नहीं किया है. मैं सब स्मेल करके लेके आई हूँ. And yeah, so it's a mist. Mist generally doesn't last very long. Perfumes concentrated होते हैं, mists से concentrated नहीं होते हैं. So yeah, in my next video you will know all of my reviews that I have for these products. So I also got the Gentle Foaming Hand Soap in this range. So this is a hand soap. This is in 259 ml and ये एक foaming hand soap है. So you know, when I'm going to pump this, तो foam निकलेगा. So yeah, it all smells the same since ये एक range के products है. Now moving on to the next product. So the next thing that I've purchased is this body wash, and it's called the Blooming Garden. और इसका जो smell है, it's exactly like a garden. It's as if, you know, you enter a garden and जो बहुत different flowers होते हैं उनका जो faint smell आता है, it exactly smells like that. And champagne toast जो था, it had a very strong fragrance. It was extremely sweet, and this is also sweet but has a very mild fragrance. So people who love mild fragrances will actually love the smell of this product. And yeah, the packaging looks great, and I think the lotion and the shower gel, the shower gel जो है वो slightly थोड़ा ज़्यादा quantity में आता है than the lotion. This is 295 ml and the body lotion is 236 ml. So yeah, and prices मैं नीचे सारे description box में I'll mention. Okay, so the next thing that I purchased is this body scrub. It's the Winter Candy Apple Body Scrub, and this packaging looks so cute. और ये एक limited edition है. It's the Christmas limited edition of Bath & Body Works. और I think it's still available in the store, but I think soon it will be out of stock, or they'll remove this collection as ये limited है. So anyone who wants to buy this can rush to the store or can order it online. And yeah, so this body scrub, wow, this smells very nice. I think so far this is my favorite fragrance. It smells like apple, of course, and it smells like rose petal. Yeah, so बहुत ही mild fragrance है. It's not very strong, and they have actually written down the fragrance notes. It's apple, it's rose petals, and it's cinnamon. So yeah, it exactly smells like that. और हम इसका texture check करते हैं. I haven't used it yet, but we'll just check how the texture is. So Okay, so this has a very very thick texture. बहुत थिक टेक्सचर है, इसके जो ग्रैन्यूल्स है ये बहुत बड़े हैं. सो आई थिंक पीपल हु लव बॉडी स्क्रब्स विद अ थिक टेक्सचर या जिनके ग्रैन्यूल्स बहुत बड़े हो, आई होप यू कैन सी इट हैज एन अमेजिंग टेक्सचर. एंड I don't know, I'm just feeling like this is extra moisturizing because I can feel the shea butter in my hands. Yeah, so the texture feels great. And yeah, so I'll just remove this and I'll let you guys know what my hands feel like, and we'll move on to the next product. So now I'll be showing you my last product from Bath & Body Works. However, I have a few more products from other brands to show, so stay tuned and keep on watching. So yeah, this is the last one. It's called the Vanilla Bean Noel, and this is the only product that I've used so far. So I have a review on this. This is actually my favorite smell from all of the products that I've got from Bath & Body Works. It smells heavenly. Wow, मतलब ये मैं smell करती हूँ ना, it just feels like I have entered a bakery, you know, a little bakery cafe जिसमें cookies and cream and ये सब का vanilla का smell आ रहा है. It exactly smells like that. It's sweet, but all of the people who like the smell of vanilla cookies and you know all the great stuff, the fragrance notes have been mentioned here. इसमें लिखा है fresh vanilla bean, sugar cookies and whipped cream, and let me tell you, it exactly smells like that. And yeah, तो मैंने इसे use किया हुआ है. The texture of the body lotion is amazing, and the smell stays on for at least 3 to 4 hours. The smell lingers on. I think 6 to 7 hours के बाद भी अगर आप smell करोगे तो you will be able to smell the smell. I'm not very sure कि अगर आप सामने वाला जो है उसको smell आएगी, but even after 5 to 6 hours the smell stays on. 3 to 4 hours, it's very strong. Your hands, legs, wherever you apply it will stay moisturized for throughout the day. आपको ऐसा लगेगा नहीं कि आपको moisturize use करने की ज़रूरत है. And of course it's the winter season, and you know, it's really moisturizing, but at the same time it does not feel sticky. So for me it's a great buy. I love it. I actually had reviewed a body lotion in my previous video. I'll be linking it out here, and even that one is a great body cream, but trust me, ever since I've purchased this I've stopped using that one. Even that one is great, but इसका जो smell है, texture है, I can just say that this is so far the best body cream that I have used. And to all of the people who like vanilla ka smell, just don't think twice, just go and buy this product right now. Okay, so the next two things that I'll be mentioning are from the brand Body Shop, and Body Shop पे भी अभी recently flat 50% off था, and that's when I got these two things. The very first thing that I got is this body scrub, and it's called the Zesty Lemon Exfoliating Gel Body Scrub, and this is how it looks. मैंने पहले भी बॉडी शॉप का एक बॉडी स्क्रब यूज़ किया हुआ है, दैट वाज इन द एप्रिकॉट वेरिएंट, एंड आई लव दैट बॉडी स्क्रब. उसका बहुत ही एक थिक टेक्सचर नहीं है, एंड द ग्रैन्यूल्स आर ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी बिग, but I feel for an everyday use it's perfect. It's very light on the skin, it's not very harsh, and yeah, I really liked it, and that's why I got this one. And this smells exactly like lemon, and बहुत ही एक fresh fragrance है, and I haven't used it, but yeah, everyone who's looking for a very mild body scrub can go for these body scrubs. It is actually very nice. Okay, so the next thing that I purchased is this body lotion in the variant strawberry, and I haven't used it, but मैंने इसे try किया था. It smells exactly like strawberry, and ये जो बॉडी लोशन है इट्स परफेक्ट फॉर समर्स. ये इतना ज़्यादा लाइट है ऑन द स्किन, इट डजंट फील लाइक आई हैव अप्लाइड एनीथिंग. ये बस थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चराइज कर देता है स्किन को. सो आई फील समर्स में व्हेन वी नीड अ वेरी लाइट बॉडी लोशन जो स्टिकी ना हो, एंड यू नो बिल्कुल भी स्किन को ऐसे लैदर ना करे. आई थिंक दिस इज द परफेक्ट बॉडी लोशन एंड आई गॉट दिस फॉर माई लेटर पर्पज. अभी मेरे पास काफ़ी बॉडी लोशंस है. आई गॉट दिस फॉर समर ओनली एंड इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर दैट perfect summer body lotion, I think you should go for this one. Okay guys, so this was it for the video. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, and for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. I shall see you guys very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.